Today, our video is regarding a supplement, which is designed to support women's reproductive health, and specially important for those females, which are not able to conceive, because of PCOS, and also use in irregular periods. The supplement, which we are talking about is Ovacare, which is used to treat infertility, irregular or absent ovulation, leading to difficulties in conceiving, polycystic ovarian disease, menstrual irregularities, and also used to improve hormonal imbalance. We will let you know what are the ingredient in Ovacare that makes it so special, when to start this supplement, how to take, how long should you take, and its possible side effects. Ovacare tablet includes the following important ingredient: para-aminobenzoic acid, which is an antioxidant that helps to improve and support the development of healthy eggs. Myo-inositol, which helps in hormone regulation, insulin sensitivity, thus helping in PCOS and ovarian function. Nicotinamide, which is vitamin B3, is involved in DNA repair. It improves fertility outcomes. Ovacare also contains L-arginine, which helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. It promotes blood circulation to the reproductive organs. Magnesium, which helps regulate hormonal balance, particularly in the synthesis of progesterone during the luteal phase. Folic acid, which is crucial for DNA synthesis and cell division. It plays a vital role in conceiving. Iron, whose deficiency can negatively impact fertility and pregnancy. Ovacare contains many more ingredients, which are all playing its role in maintaining hormonal balance for conceiving and used for irregular periods. Let's see how to use Ovacare tablets. The recommended dosage for Ovacare tablets is 1 tablet taken twice daily, preferably with a meal. It is important to take these tablets consistently and at the same time each day. Use Ovacare tablets for at least 3 to 6 months to see the desired results. Swallow Ovacare tablet whole with a glass of water. The common side effects include stomach pain, bloating, nausea, diarrhea. Help us grow by joining and subscribing the channel. And if you have any question, drop below, we will answer that.